Hello दोस्तों, welcome back to another video. As you all know that we all CMA students have the same questions in our mind regarding this. Examination schedules, whether online, offline, home-based, center-based, opt-out option will be there or not, suggested answers and question papers of Jan 2021 not uploaded on the website yet, mock test for June 2021 based on the question paper pattern that we will be having in the coming attempt and the question paper pattern what it will be for June 2021. So basically we all have these questions and there is no proper communication by the institute till now, and the last notification released by the institute dated 31st May says that the exam which were scheduled from 26th July stands cancelled and new dates will be released soon. But it's high time that we didn't get any update from the institute. Even we ask them regularly that please provide us the dates when the exams will be conducted, and recently there were some rumors because there was no official notification that the exams will be conducted in the September month. So there were I will say there were some rumors that the exams will be conducted in September month, and due to improper communication from our institute it is happening that anyone is saying anything what they ever feel like from their own intentions. So it's a kind request from the Institute of Cost Accountants of India that our future is at stake. Our future is at stake. Please release the notifications regarding these things. These are the problems. For this, we have started a petition for which the link is given in the description, and you can just go over that and sign that petition and ask the institute to please release the examination schedule and tell us whether it will be online or offline, home based or center based option, what will be there, whether there will be an opt-out option. When you will just click on the link, you will see all the things mentioned over there in the petition, and you just have to sign it. And you can also comment if you want to, whatever you feel like, but please maintain decorum. It's our institute, it's our mother institute, and we are not against it. We are just asking, as we have the right to ask when the exams will be conducted, so we can prepare ourselves accordingly and we can decide about our future, because it is about our future. So please don't do this with us, and give us the dates at the earliest possible and tell us other things as well at the earliest possible. So if you want to support, then please go on the link, sign the petition and comment whatever you are feeling, but please maintain decorum. And this is it. See you all in the next video. All the best.